Let's explore regular expressions in JavaScript, focusing on mastering the test method. Get ready to dive into pattern matching and text validation. The test method is a built-in regular expression method in JavaScript. It checks if a pattern exists within a string and returns either true, if a match is found, or false, if no match is found. Think of it as a simple way to ask, does this string contain this pattern? The basic syntax for using the test method is straightforward. You have your regular expression object, followed by a dot, then the word test, and inside the parentheses, you put the string you want to test against the regular expression. For example, regex.test, string. Here's a simple example to illustrate how the test method works. First, we define a regular expression pattern to search for the word hello. Then we define a text string that contains the phrase hello world. Finally, we use the test method to check if the pattern exists in the text. As hello is present in hello world, the method will return true. The console log statement will therefore output true. By default, regular expressions in JavaScript are case-sensitive. This means that if you search for hello with a capital H, it won't match hello with the lowercase h. In the first example, we search for hello in hello world, and the test method returns false. However, you can use the I flag to perform a case-insensitive search. In the second example, we use /hello/I, and the test method now returns true because it ignores the case difference. The test method can be used with different kinds of regular expression patterns. First, we have an email validation pattern that checks if a string is in the format of an email address. When we test user@example.com, it returns true. Next, we have a digit pattern which checks if a string contains digits. The test method returns true when we test ABC123def. Finally, we use the word boundary pattern to see if the string contains the word cat. When we test the cat is happy, it returns true. When using the test method with the global flag /g, the behavior changes slightly. The test method keeps track of the last index it matched. First, we define a global pattern to search for the word test. Then we define a text string that contains the phrase test and test again. The first call to test finds test and returns true. The second call starts searching from where the previous match ended, finds another test, and returns true again. The third call starts searching again, but there are no more matches, so it returns false. Here are the key takeaways from this video. The test method returns Boolean values only, which is either true or false. The test method is perfect for validation checks and conditional logic. Understanding these points will help you effectively use the test method in your JavaScript projects. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.